Ever wondered how your favorite graphic t-shirt gets its vibrant design? It's not magic, it's high-tech machinery at work. Welcome to the colorful world of digital textile printing, where advanced printers turn blank shirts into wearable art in just minutes. Let's dive into how it all happens. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes to see digital textile machines in action. These incredible devices are revolutionizing the fashion industry, allowing for fast, detailed, and custom t-shirt prints like never before. From design files to drying racks, every step is automated, precise, and seriously cool to watch. It all begins with a plain t-shirt, usually 100% cotton, placed carefully on a flat printing platen. Before any ink hits the fabric, a pre-treatment solution is sprayed onto the shirt. This helps the ink bond better and keeps colors sharp and bright. Next comes the star of the show, the digital direct-to-garment DTG printer. Much like an inkjet printer for paper, this machine sprays ink directly onto the fabric. Controlled by design software, it can print millions of colors with photo-like accuracy, layer by layer with stunning detail. Once printed, the shirt is transferred to a heat press or conveyor dryer, where high temperatures cure the ink into the fibers. This ensures the print is long-lasting, machine-washable, and vibrant. Before packing, each shirt undergoes a quick quality check for color accuracy and alignment. From there, it's folded, tagged, and ready to wear or ship. Amazed by how digital printing brings t-shirts to life? Like this video, drop a comment with your favorite t-shirt design, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome factory tech and behind-the-scenes manufacturing tours.